Welcome to Akh's for Science. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, you will learn about types of contact force. And in this video, I'm gonna explain about a force at a distance or field force. What is field force? The region or space surrounding a body such as a charged particle or a magnet, within which it can exert a force on another similar body not in contact with it. See also electric field, magnetic field, gravitational field. Number 1. Magnetic force. Magnetic force attraction or repulsion that arises between electrically charged particles because of their motion. It is the basic force responsible for such effects as the action of electric motors and the attraction of magnets for iron. Electric forces exist among stationary electric charges. Both electric and magnetic forces exist among moving electric charges. The magnetic force between two moving charges may be described as the effect exerted upon either charged by a magnetic field created by the other. Number 2. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force are attractive or repulsive forces between particles that are caused by their electric charges. This force is also called the Coulomb force or Coulomb interaction and is so named for French physicist Charles Augustin de Coulomb, who described the force in 1785. Number 3. Gravity force. The gravitational force is a force that attracts any two objects with mass. We call the gravitational force attractive because it always tries to pull masses together. It never pushes them apart. In fact, every object, including you, is pulling on every other object in the entire universe. Let's recap our first chapter. What is force? A force is a push or a pull. Examples of push and pull. Types of forces. Number 1. Contact force. A contact force is any force that requires contact to occur. Example of contact force. Let's discuss two major types of contact force. Number 1. Normal force. In mechanics, the normal force is the component of a contact force that is perpendicular to surface that an object contacts. Example of normal force. Number 2. Applied force. An applied force is a force that is applied to an object by a person or another object. Example of applied force. Types of field force. Number 1. Gravitational force. The gravitational force is a force that attracts any two objects with mass. Example of gravitational force. Electrostatic force. The electrostatic force is also known as the Coulomb force or Coulomb interaction. Example of electrostatic force. Follow me on Facebook.